Mongolian language, there are no prepositions. Instead, we have postpositions. There are two groups of postpositions of place which require different suffixes on its preceding word. The first groups of postpositions are der, dor, dotter. With these postpositions, we have to add suffix "n" on the previous word. For example, "ханың der" on the wall. Now, let's look at them one by one with examples. Der цэцэг хаана байна вэ? Where is the flower? Цэцэг ширээн дээр байна. The flower is on the desk. Here you can see that we add "n" on the word desk. However, some words we don't add "n". Let's see an example. Ном хаана байна вэ? Where is the book? Ном тавиур дээр байна. The book is on the shelf. Here there is no "n" added on the word shelf, so it's same for all the three prepositions we have seen previously. Most of the times we add "n", but there are some exceptions. Please keep that in mind. Доор гутал хаана байна вэ? Where are the shoes? Гутал орон доор байна. The shoes are under the bed. Бөмбөг хаана байна вэ? Where is the ball? Бөмбөг сандал доор байна. The ball is under the chair. Дотор мөнгө хаана байна вэ? Where is the money? Мөнгө уутан дотор байна. The money is in the bag. Here are the second group of postpositions. Урд, ард, хооронд, хажууд. On the words that are used with these postpositions, genitive case suffix "ing" has to be added. For example, миний ард, behind me. Literally, it's saying my behind. Now let me give you more examples for each of them. Урд муур хаана байна вэ? Where is the cat? Муур машины урд байна. The cat is in front of the car. Ард нохой хаана байна вэ? Where is the dog? Нохой буудангийн ард байна. The dog is behind the sofa. Хажууд багш хаана байна вэ? Where is the teacher? Багш самрын хажууд байна. The teacher is next to the board. Хооронд муур хаана байна вэ? Where is the cat? Муур хайрцагны хооронд байна. The cat is between the boxes. Let's finish our video here. Watch again and practice saying what is where in your room. If you want to know whether you are saying it correctly, you can leave a comment below. Баяртай. Удахгүй иргэн уулзцгаая.